beautiful backyard was right there, but we couldn't see it. There's just a wall and then, you know, like a tiny little window, and now we get to look at it every day.
Milgard really let us turn what was our least favorite part of the house into far and away our favorite part of the house now.
I think that's my favorite thing about the doors, actually, is just making it a space that I want to be in. We'll often just throw these doors open and just sit and eat breakfast, and it feels a little bit like you're on vacation.
It's really our little oasis. We have friends over pretty frequently, and we just throw open the doors and people just seamlessly move from inside to outside. I don't think we've had one person come over who hasn't commented on the kitchen and on the doors in particular.
Milgard absolutely helped us create something beautiful that we love.